The biggest thing is just trying to keep all of our people safe. We go around to the buildings and we spray areas where we think that there might be need to be disinfected, or just to make sure that there's, trying to kill any of the germs that might be sitting on handles, tables.
Yeah, the electrostatic machine gives the droplets that are coming out with the disinfectant a charge. So it actually wraps around like the steering wheel and the stairwell railings. It gets the underneath, it goes behind doors. So it's a great machine.
As you go around and spray this mist that has this mixture in there of disinfectant, and you're hoping to hit every spot that you possibly can. We're basically looking for any area where people might have touched, coughed, whatever. So I'm looking for light switches, handles, any areas where people are putting their hands on tables, on chairs. Police cars in the front, like steering wheel where they're touching all the time, their mics, the inside handles when they're going in and out.
The entire campus community needs to be safe. If we don't have these people here, we can't do our jobs.
We all are trying to do our part. If it keeps one person from catching it, that means everything.